10 silent killers hiding in your kitchen. What if the biggest threat to your family's health isn't outside your home, but hiding in your kitchen? Every day, millions of people unknowingly expose themselves to harmful bacteria, toxic chemicals, and dangerous food contamination. Most of these hazards are invisible, silent, and completely preventable. Today, join us as we are going to uncover 10 silent killers that could be hiding in your kitchen. 1. Dirty kitchen sponge. A kitchen sponge may look clean, but it can contain millions of bacteria, including harmful germs like E. coli and Salmonella. Using the same sponge for days can spread bacteria across dishes, countertops, and utensils. Replace your sponge regularly or sanitize it according to manufacturer guidance. 2. Raw chicken cross-contamination. Raw poultry can carry dangerous bacteria. If its juices touch cutting boards, knives, or fresh vegetables, harmful germs can spread without being seen. Always keep raw meat separate from ready-to-eat foods and wash hands thoroughly after handling it. 3. Expired food. Old leftovers and expired products may contain harmful bacteria or mold that can cause food poisoning. Check expiration dates and refrigerate leftovers promptly. 4. Plastic containers exposed to heat. Some plastic containers are not designed for microwave or high heat use. Heating them may cause chemicals to migrate into food. Use microwave-safe containers or choose glass when possible. 5. Dirty cutting boards. Deep knife grooves can trap bacteria, especially after cutting raw meat. Wash cutting boards thoroughly after each use and use separate boards for raw meat and fresh produce. 6. Burnt cooking oil. Oil that has been overheated or reused many times breaks down and produces harmful compounds. Cook with fresh oil and avoid repeatedly reusing heavily burned oil. 7. Hidden mold. Mold can grow behind refrigerators, under sinks, or on forgotten food. Regular cleaning and checking for spoiled food help reduce this risk. 8. Poorly stored rice. Cooked rice left at room temperature for too long can allow bacteria to multiply and produce toxins. Refrigerate cooked rice within 2 hours and reheat it thoroughly before eating. 9. Unwashed fruits and vegetable. Fresh produce may carry dirt, pesticides, or harmful microorganisms. Wash fruits and vegetables under running water before preparing or eating them. 10. Salt and sugar overload. Too much salt and added sugar over time can increase the risk of high blood pressure, heart disease, obesity, and type 2 diabetes. Moderation is one of the simplest ways to protect your long-term health. A safer kitchen starts with small daily habits. By identifying these hidden dangers, you can reduce your risk and help protect yourself and your family. If you found this documentary helpful, like the video, subscribe, and share it with someone who cares about healthy living. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. If you have concerns about your health or food safety, consult a qualified healthcare professional or your local food safety authority. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.
And it is so healthy too.